What's up, guys? We are back with another travel vlog. We are here in the beautiful Rome, Italy. We just landed at Fiumicino Airport. We have been traveling for 18 hours. We're so tired, but we saw the city, and I think we might have a second wind in us. We're gonna try to find something to eat, and we're gonna tour a couple sites before we start our excursions tomorrow and Saturday. So you will be coming with us, and we're gonna show you the hotel tour, so check it out.